Come walk with me on a trail because nature always makes you feel better. And my period is on 10 right now. It's such a beautiful day. It feels so nice out here. I think it's in the 70s today, but there's like a little breeze, so it feels amazing. Taking a little break. I'm gonna stretch my ankle a little bit and everything. Walking back now. I need to tie my shoe. I'm definitely starting to get a little tired, but we're almost done. We're almost there. And we are done. Second walk complete since my accident. Feels good. I can tell my muscles are a little tired. So I'm definitely gonna go home, stretch, ice, heat. That feels so nice. I need to drink some water now. Thanks for coming on my walk with me. I'll see you guys later. Bye.